Hi friends, I'm back with another tutorial. I'm going to show you how to make this elegant 3D dimensional Irish crochet motif. The pattern comes from the legendary 100 motif Irish crochet book. This is pattern number 4 that we're looking at today. Just give you a little bit of a close-up of that. That's what it looks like. 3mm crochet hook, and I'm using this green yarn. Let's get into it. To start off with, we are going to go ahead and chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and we're going to slip stitch or single crochet into the first chain space like that. Chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now we're going to double crochet into the center space here like that. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and we're going to double crochet in the center space again. So now we've got 2 holes. We need 6 holes in total. So we're going to chain 3, double crochet in the center space again, chain 3, double crochet in the center space again, chain 3, double crochet in the center space again. So we've now got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 holes, chain 3, and we're going to slip stitch 3 chains up from that first round of petal spaces that we made. We've also almost got like a wheel looking thing here in the center. This is the foundation of our work. We're now going to make petals in each of these spaces. So let's get cracking with the first one. We're going to single crochet into this space. We're going to do a half double crochet. We're going to do 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, then a half double crochet, and then a single crochet like that. I always like to slip stitch in between the petal spaces just because I feel like it defines the petals a lot more. Now I'm going to go in the next petal space and work exactly the same pattern. So single crochet, half double crochet, 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, half double crochet, a single crochet, and then I'm going to slip stitch between these 2 spaces again. I'm going to go in the next space, single crochet, half double crochet, 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, half double crochet, single crochet, slip stitch between these 2 petal spaces, next space, single crochet, half double crochet, 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, half double crochet, single crochet. I'm going to slip stitch. I'm going to go into the next petal with a single crochet, half double crochet, 3 double crochet. 3, half double crochet, single crochet. I'm going to slip stitch between the 2 spaces, and we're going to work the last petal space in the first round. So single crochet, half double crochet, 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, half double crochet, single crochet, and I'm gonna drop a slip stitch between the 2 petals like that. This is row 1 complete. Let's crack on with row 2. For row 2, we are going to turn our work around the chain 4, 2, 3, 4, and we're going to single crochet or slip stitch in between these back posts here because we're going to work petals into these spaces. Chain 4. Same thing between the next 2 petals. Chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Same thing in between these 2 petal spaces. Chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Same thing between these 2 petal spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4. Same thing between these 2 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the last one. I always like to slip stitch into the first space just to bring the work together. Now turn the work back around and we're going to work into these back posts here. We're going to work a single crochet. We're going to work a half double crochet. We're going to work 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. We're going to chain 3 and we are going to slip stitch and make a picot stitch in these 2 spaces here. 2 double crochet, half double crochet, single crochet, and I'm gonna slip stitch in these 2 in the center before I head over to the next petal. So single crochet, half double crochet, 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, chain 3 and make a picot stitch. So that's a single crochet, 2 double crochet, 1, 2, half double crochet, single crochet, slip stitch in the center space there before we move on to the next petal. Single crochet, half double crochet, 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, chain 3, slip stitch, 2 double crochet. 1, 2, half double crochet, single crochet, and I'm going to slip stitch in between these 2 petal spaces, and now I'm going to head over to the next space in the back, single crochet, half double crochet, 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, chain 3, picot stitch, slip stitch like that, 2 double crochet, half double crochet, single crochet to the next post, but I'm going to slip stitch into the next back post. I'm going to do a single crochet, half double crochet, 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, chain 3, picot stitch, 2 double crochet, 1, 2, half double crochet, a single crochet, and now before we work into the final petal space, I'm going to slip stitch as I always do, then I'm going to single crochet, I'm going to do a half double crochet, I'm going to do 3 double crochet, I'm going to chain 3, I'm going to slip stitch, make a picot stitch, 2 double crochet, 1, 2, half double crochet, I'm going to single crochet, and then to finish off my work I am going to slip stitch in the center between these 2 posts again, and that is my work complete. Look at how beautiful 3D dimensional and elegant that piece looks. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please like, comment and subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything to, but it means the absolute world to me. And please check out my other videos because I am in the process of trying to get through the entire legendary 100 motif crochet book. And that'll be coming up for you soon. Thank you so much for watching and have a blessed day. Bye.